Hello and welcome to my kitchen. I'm Naomi, and today we will cook a Sichuan dish called fish-flavored shredded pork. First, prepare the ingredients. I use pork in this dish. You can go with chicken breast or lean beef instead if you like. Shred the meat, carrot, green pepper, and black fungus. Cut the scallion, ginger, and garlic, then mix them. Take out the egg yolk. Put on 1 tablespoon starch in egg whites. Stir evenly. Add some salt to the meat and mix it with your hands. Then add egg whites in portions. Mix it with your hands again. Egg whites and starch will keep the meat moist. Prevent the meat from over-frying. Put in the oil. Oil can separate meat quickly when frying. Next, mix the sauce needed for this dish. This sauce needs 1 tablespoon garlic, 2/3 tablespoon ginger, and 1/3 tablespoon scallion. Then add 1 tablespoon cooking wine, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 2 tablespoons vinegar, 3 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon starch, and 5 tablespoons water. Stir evenly. The sauce is the key to delicious. Heat the pan first, medium heat. Pour as much oil as possible. Put in the meat. Stir until the meat is cooked. Use the remaining oil in the pan to fry the vegetables, to reduce the moisture in the vegetables. Heat the pan first, medium heat. Pour oil. Put in 2 tablespoons broad bean chili paste. Fry till fragrant. Add sauce, vegetables, and meat. Fry them, stir well. Add 1 teaspoon salt at the end. This delicious Sichuan dish is done. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode of Naomi's Kitchen.